I need that one. Becca! We are cool. Becca, baby! What's my friend Parker? I'm vlogging today. How you doing? Parker, say hello to the vlog world. They can't read that language. You're good, Joe. Call me. Hi. The people that maybe I look on when I wonder. I'm mad, she mad. Oh my god. They're just blowing as if I'm mad. I'm not crazy, guys. Him. Why are they looking at me like that? Go? Yeah, go on. We don't have to go exactly in the town. We can just go back. Ice cream just have melt, so.
Stick it by your hand.
Not for too long. Oh my god. The lady I work on talk to herself. Why is she talking to herself? Is it that people are getting mad these days? Joel? Yes, bro? What? But you know what I mean? I understand, guys. Everybody's a steer palm. They're just looking at me as if I'm doing something wrong. All I'm doing is vlogging for you guys to see. And cars just beeping, person just looking. Oh my god. I don't use to this. I feel like a celebrity. Come on. Say no one nickname picture. I don't mind having him in. I don't mind having him on my vlog.
Until how far? No, me I say until how far?
KFC will turn.
Okay.
Just show them up on KFC and then we're and see back now.
Okay, okay.
Anyway, guys, KFC closed. Normally over here would have a lot of person hanging out. Over here, over KFC, person would be sitting, chatting, doing whatever. Gallivanting. Let me show you another place that they would be sitting at this moment. Come with me, guys. Joel, why are you running from this one? No. Come, guys. I don't like all these people looking at me. I'm gonna do it.
I like it too.
You ready right now? gonna show the vlog one more place where persons would be hanging out at this hour. Now you don't see anyone. No one, absolutely no one. So can we walk there? And go to the shortcut? Yeah, to the left? Oh my god. Yeah, so this is my last stop. This is my last stop, guy. Over here. Look up there. What's the name of this place? It's now what? Top Eagle. Top Eagle. So the Top Eagle, they have this sell appliances here now. Normally it was a clothes store. But show them the pictures. Show them the pictures. So that's what they're doing here. No. And over there, show them up there. Over there is the fitness center.
No more fitness center.
It's no, but
It's a supermarket.
upstairs. Fitness center. I saw them the other day on top of the building exercising. So it looks really good. And for now, it cannot open. That's my personal view. So this is Singer. Down here, so always have a lot of people hanging out. Now we place clear. You can't count the few people that is on the road. So here this man complaining that even a taxi on the stand for him to go home. I don't know where he's going. But not even a taxi. The man wants justice. What man want? Justice. God. It was a good walk though. Boy, guys, I'm really tired. I am really tired. I did that for you guys. I hope you like it. Comment below, share, subscribe. Oh god, I'm gonna get some rest right now. I'm very, very tired and exhausted. Oh my god. Later guys, I'm home. I'm gonna cool off and shower. See you guys.